What is up, you guys? Darryl here, back again for more crypto news, and today we are going to talk about this trading platform which offers certain features that most other trading platforms do not have. First of all, let's take a look at the front page. This is called Vauld, Vauld.com, and this is the entire page before signing in. After you sign in, I'll show you the dashboard, but let's take a look right here. You can get started with iOS, Android, or even your desktop. This trading platform basically allows you to build wealth automatically over a long period of time through passive incomes. How do they do it? Is by earning, borrowing, and trading. A lot of platforms is just either earning or trading but no borrowing, but this one has all three of them, and you can see how it's like right here. All you have to do is transfer your crypto onto Vault and get the best percentages of yield. Also, you can get some AIPs, I'll explain about that later, and you will also have a lot of investors in this trading platform. A lot of partnerships will happen. Anyway, let's take a look right here on how you can earn interest on your cryptocurrency. Basically, you get weekly payout, which the interest is calculated on the daily basis. You can withdraw it at any time. They won't lock you for a certain period of time. Unlike a lot of people investing into UST and then staking it, there is a lock period and sometimes it can be pretty risky. Also, you got the fixed term deposits, meaning that you can opt in to fixed term deposits in order to get higher interest rates, but these ones will be locked. Last but not least is that all this interest is then compounded. These are the rates of APY they're offering. Honestly, these are ridiculous percentages. Look at USDC, it's 12.68%, BUSD the same, DAI the same. There's a lot more right here. You even got Chainlink, you got Filecoin, you got PancakeSwap, you got Cake Token. There's a lot more on here, even Uniswap tokens. There's such a wide variety of tokens right here. And the other way that I mentioned about, which is borrowing against your own token, which means all you have to do is take a low interest loan against your existing crypto assets. They're offering an LTV of 66.7%. LTV means loan to value. If you do not understand what's LTV, I'm going to explain to you in layman's terms. LTV is loan to value, which means let's say you borrow $10,000 and you deposited Bitcoin worth $20,000. Your LTV ratio is basically 50%. However, if Bitcoin's price were to go down, your collateral will then be worth less, which means your LTV ratio will then increase. You receive your tokens instantly. There's also no hidden fees, no hidden surprises, and last but not least, you can get the payment back anytime or in any number of installments. These are the APRs they're offering. This is not APY, these are APRs. It's very high for its rate. And the next part is trading with this platform. Why is it better than other platforms? They basically have very deep order books with all the supported tokens. They have a wide variety of tokens like I showed you earlier. They have a liquidity pool of over $50 million. They have competitive fees, which is 0.12% for the maker and 0.12% for the taker. They can earn interest while trading itself. You do not have to just trade, but you can also earn interest on it. And last but not least, you get the swap on the go. That means they can swap on Android or iOS to manage your whole portfolio in a whole lump sum. And in terms of crypto, you always want to be part of a community because that is the way you can grow, that's the way you can learn, and that's the way you can also make a lot of friends and network. Basically, in their community itself, in the Vault community, you can have feedbacks, you can have your ideas shared out, you can be part of the crypto circle, you can meet more developers, and you can also have the most latest updated news on crypto itself on the Vault community. Take a look at the dashboard right here. It's very clean, very easy to see, very easy to look. You can see right here there's Bitcoin, ETH, USDT, BNB. You can borrow up to 66.67% like I said, and you can pay back anytime. That's only for the loans. You got also FD, which is fixed deposits, AIP, which is how you can buy the dips and set up a periodic buys on the AIPs in order to dollar cost average the way out or dollar cost average way in. And also you can trade up to 270 tokens at a 0.1% fees while earning interest by itself. This is where you can deposit the FD, and these are the rates at the bottom. You can even check your wallet right here, how much ETH you have, how much USDT, how much BNB. It looks like a normal Binance wallet, but it's really clean, which is what I like. Also, you have to complete your KYC in order to deposit the tokens and start your journey. That means they're very strict and they're also very regulatory. So now let's look at the AIPs. This is automatic investment plan, meaning like it's like a fund. It's like a fund for crypto where you can put your money in it and you don't have to worry about a single thing. Also, you can see the percentages of increase right here, and this is where they hold the best of the centralized tokens. It is basically a S&P 500 where you got the 500 top companies in it, so the chances of it going down within the long term, especially if you dollar cost average the way in, is very unlikely. But like I said, this is not financial advice. This is purely for entertainment. Please do your own due diligence before you invest in any of these AIPs. Also, if you want to understand more about their liquidity management, if you're afraid of investing in a new trading platform, you can take a look at the overview right here. The funds allocated for lending is lent out to borrowers, meaning that all the interest they get, they're going to give it all to their users. So the loans to the borrowers are technically risk-free and they're over collateralized by at least 150%. And also the funds allocated to trading is stored on the trusted exchange partners. The entire ecosystem works like this. Vault users the funds consolidated, the interest will then pay out to them. The funds allocated for lending will then be used to over collateralize loans for the borrowers and then typically repaid within within 30 days. And also there's going to be a float for trading, which is then stored with their exchange partners. And if you think, who are these exchange partners? Take a look at this. These are very, very huge backers. You got Coinbase as a venture, you got CMT Digital, you got LoonX, and also you got BitGo and Robert Ventures. These are very huge people. And like I said, their selling points is the customer comes first. They're very customer centralized. They have very competitive rates, seamless product experience, transparent business practices, continuous upgrades, and also versatile customer needs. And if you want to know more about their story, just hop onto the About Us page. You can see about the story of money and the future of banking, 2nd century BC all the way up to 2022. And then there's the execution, which is their roadmap. And last but not least is their team, which is the co-founders. If you want to be part of their API, you can also get access to the world of crypto by becoming a partner yourself. Just go into this tab, Enterprise APIs, and click Become a Partner. And if you look right down here, APIs for the wallets, you can have multiple tokens. You don't have to store your private keys. You can have multiple wallets as well and earn your interest on your funds. There's going to be lending, borrowing, fiat rails, pricing, and partnering with them. And if you're wondering if you can watch the market on this trading platform itself, of course you can. There's no trading platform that leaves that out unless they're really, really bad. But basically you can see it right here. They have the 24-hour change, they have the 24-hour high. You can see BTC right here, USDT, INR, and also the interest rates. You can check it all right here. Do not miss out them on Twitter. Be sure to follow them, turn on the notification bell because they're going to have a lot of upcoming news coming very soon. And understanding the API is very interesting. It's very educational. Be sure to be on the API reference page. I'll put the docs down in the descriptions below. You can see how this all pans out. This is the news page right here. If you want to learn a thing or two, you can hop onto here right now and then read all the articles that's on it. This one's really interesting, how Bitcoin could react to drying USDT supply. And also if you guys are wondering why is the crypto market fallen so far, you can also read the article right here. Anyway, the most important features that Vault stands out, they do not have any slap such as having a fixed rate throughout, and they do not have any fees on closure on their FDs, which is their fixed deposit. Also, Peter Thiel is an investor in Vault. Vault has already raised $250 million in a series of funding led by Peter Thiel, backed by Valor Ventures, and all the partners that I showed earlier as well, all of them are in it fully. Not only that, but they're partnered with Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo F1 team has already teamed up with this cryptocurrency trading platform, and as part of the partnership basically led by Project 11, Vault's branding will be now displayed as a prominent position in the front wing of the Team C42 cars driven by Valtteri Bottas. This is how it looks like, super duper sick stuff. And the key to core elements for banking to every crypto user is basically 4 different things. 1 is a store of value, 2 is easy spending, 3 is capital growth, and last but not least is having an easy exchange and easy UI. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, subscribe down below, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.